it time to think about where we set our percussion instruments? Let's take a minute to talk about that. Having some sort of place to put our instruments and mallets that's not going to make a bunch of noise or allow them to roll off is vital to us being really good and professional as percussionists. Music stands can make wonderful percussion tray tables. However, they're pretty loud. So we need something that's going to soften that. Scrap piece of fabric, some carpet, anything will do that is nice and soft. Instead of placing mallets on the instruments that you're playing, make sure that you have a percussion tray table ready to go for any percussion setup that you have. You can also make tray tables out of various materials. Just a thin piece of scrap wood with some cloth over it, or some foam. I just salvaged this from a package that I got in the mail. Makes for a wonderful percussion trap table. So get creative and sound professional.